You are awesome. Yes. Stop number 3 officially of the Bassmaster Elite Series 2025. Today's case assignment, Greenhorn Rookie, the $500,000 man, the one and only Mr. Tucker Smith. Let's get him, Tuck. 30 seconds until the big show. Your third derb ever is an Elite. Yikes.
Former Rookie of the Year and a 3-time Plastic qualifier from North Carolina, Jake Whitaker. The Golden Brand. His first season on the Bassmaster Elite Series from Birmingham, Alabama.
Yeah, Tuck. Gooch? Good? Fuck, let's smash him, dude. Yes!
About 45 miles.
45 miles? That's the fun part. Risk reward.
Exactly.
On today's show, risk reward. Derping with Tucker.
An hour, I think.
Dang, dude.
We made it.
You did good. I was taking 4-footers to the face.
Ready? I have to get that ruler and like put it on the front neck.
A lot of almost. Micros.
Hey, he's 14 inches.
He's going to the picnic, but hopefully not. These are Pasquotanks. You never know when it's a Pasquotank or a Pasquotini. You don't want Pasquotinis, but you want Pasquotanks. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Oh,
She felt big.
it's a Pasquotini. Not a Pasquotank, but
Nope.
dang it. No picnic dwelling.
Jig. Oh, I hooked him in the eyeball.
You like that swim jigging.
He did. That was a cool bite.
It's still a Pasquotini, though. We need a Pasquotank.
I'll be happy for a limit, then we go look
Okay.
at the giant.
Let's do that. You're slow and steady in it, bud. It's okay. There's 2 going to the picnic. That's what I'm saying. Yo, Tuck, a little bit of that.
Tiny.
Wow. Super Pasquotini. That was so awesome, though.
Out here, he's
You
probably
be free.
like going so fast. Yeah, it's a 5-pounder.
Oh, nice. That cheers you up, right?
That's fun.
Dude, that is so cool. Okay.
Big one.
She is definitely going to the big stage for big streams because it's a big bass. It looked damn good.
What about you? I got one good one.
You are awesome. Yes.
The Pat, son.
You were just talking about that swim jig magic. Oh, look at you. Look at you building the bag.
Yes, sir. It's been caught before.
It's okay. Oh, yikes. Call tags. Numero 5 Ito.
Number 5.
That is... Are you cold dogging?
Colon. Colon. I really don't want these things to jump.
No.
They seem like the type of bass that jump.
They seem rowds. A little McRowdy.
They do. There you go.
See ya! You're upgrading, bro.
That's good.
That's how you do it. Game of ounces. This game of golf is. Oh, wow! Dang. Oh, wow! How cool was that, dude? That was pretty awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
That wind picked up on this little deal. Something going on. Look at you. Here we go, Tuck.
Time to go back into the ocean.
Back to the picnic. Bud, it's been an awesome day, bro.
It was fun.
Heck yeah.
Thanks for riding.
Thanks for having me.
Better than I expected. I didn't know.
Dude, you did really good. And an amazing boat ride. Like, you handled the boat like a seasoned veteran. Well seasoned.
So made a long run and it was really rough, but we got to our fish and ended up catching a couple nice ones. I have a couple really tiny ones I wish I could have got rid of, but we got tomorrow, so we'll catch some big ones tomorrow and see what happens and climb up that leaderboard.
And 3 Pasquotanks and 2 Pasquotinis, right?
That's right.
Isn't that what we got?
Exactly.
And tomorrow it can all pan out. You had a great day, dude.
I appreciate
And it was a lot of fun.
It was.
Yes, absolutely. Smash more tomorrow. Just go win it for the hell of it. Dude!
Let's go.
What is going on?
I'm just letting everybody know I don't
It
suck.
is day 2 of stop number 2 on the Bassmaster Elite Series 2025 Pasquotank River. Look at this guy. Bassmaster Elite Series champion Tyler Rivet. Ty, what are we doing? We're going for a little scoot scat and across the hip duty.
60-something miles. It's like an easy ride in a truck, but we in a boat.
In a dang ocean.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know, man. I sucked at it.
You're gonna be fine today. We're gonna have a good time.
That's it. I'm glad I got you because I was I don't normally get mad, you know. Especially, that was my worst day of one of the elites ever. So no, I'm glad to have you today to cheer me up.
I'm the hype guy. Let's go out there, freaking smash them.
Let's go do it.
You know what I mean?
Let's just get some points back.
You gotta still get excited about this. Look at this, Ty. Look at this. This is your job, Tyler Rivet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Think about it.
A 4-time classic qualifier, an Elite Series champion.
That's you, Ty. I got it.
All right, let's do this thing.
Let's do stuff. You on some sneaky stuff. Uh-oh. We made it, Ty. It's a pleasant journey today. So far, so good.
In the boat, huh?
Look at that.
That's the start of the day. When they fall in the boat, not out the boat. I don't know.
Not even a picnic dweller. See you. Two picnic dwellers. You're already way ahead of the game compared to yesterday. The magic is happening right now, Tyler Rivet. You had 3 6s to that. You are in the ball game.
That's the biggest fish I've caught in a while.
Take it, Ty.
I should have ran here yesterday. I'm such a, you know the word.
Thing that hit me in the face on the way here.
Yeah. Where that goes.
All right, get you some more. Get you a Pasquotank. Oh, yeah. Nice. There you go. It's just way better than yesterday. You aren't even fooling Tyler Rivet. You ain't even playing around.
Why did I not come here yesterday? Tell me that.
You know the answer.
Because I'm
Kitty cat.
meow. I'm scared of some little waves.
There it is, 3, bud. Building the satchel. Come on. I think it's cool that you're flipping that Stanko. I bet a lot of people ain't doing that. It's like a Florida deal. I guess I didn't know it was like a Louisiana deal too.
Oh yeah. Well, honestly, not many people do it by the house. Like one of the, I'm not the whole thing, but I'll go behind people and just.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I used to. I take that. I can't catch shit at the house now.
It's because everybody else is home more than you now.
Yeah.
They're all dialed in.
That's right. Because I get home, I'm like, man, I don't even know where they're at.
Miss the spawn.
And then the hurricane killed it, like all our fish.
Oh man.
And so we actually started a non-profit, and we raised some money, and now we're gonna go buy some fish and release them.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Responsible Anglers United.
What? Say it again. What's it called?
Responsible Anglers United.
Responsible Anglers United. Nice.
Yep.
Put some bucket heads back in the water.
That's it. We need to, because I mean that hurricane really. After the hurricane, I've never seen so many dead fish before. It was
Really?
like heartbreaking, you know.
Oh no.
Like when you get it kills me when I got a dead fish in a live one.
Sure. I know the feeling. I get it. Or if you accidentally tongue hook one or something,
Oh, yeah.
same deal. You feel bad right there.
Yeah.
Just to see a pile of them.
Oh, I know. It's just like you grew up doing it. There. I knew the second I take the jacket off, it starts to rain.
You put it back on and it'll stop.
Yeah.
A Pasquotank swamp monster.
Pasquotank tank.
Oh. Take that. We'll take that, Tyler Rivet.
Going up to 14.
Yeah.
It'll be close.
I think it is. Let's just check it, though.
I don't know how that one came off. I mean, look at this.
That one, you brained him.
We were about weighing him yesterday because he's 14.
Oh, that's definitely a keeper.
14 and 3/4, 15.
Every day in North Carolina on the Bassmaster Elite. That's number 5.
That's number 5.
And now you can eat.
I could eat.
You can have a snack.
But I ain't hungry.
Yeah, because you ain't even been able to eat for days because you ain't caught 5. That's Tyler Rivet's rule. No eating until you get 5.
I couldn't even eat supper last night.
He's that disciplined.
Kind of tweaking out.
It's 5 fish. 5! Like, oh. Another Pasquotank. You're just freaking putting on a clinic. Dude!
Let's go.
What is going on? Wow!
Look at that. Fell out.
Holy cow. You were just talking about that, dude. About the big uns that live here.
Big one.
Yikes.
I don't like it though, how it just comes off like that.
That's a Pasquotank right there.
2-pounder?
Put it in as 2 on Bass Track. Heck yeah, bud.
I think it's 14 pounds.
Nice. Very good.
Why did I not come here yesterday? Yeah, beautiful.
That's a beautiful call. What a call right there.
Jeez. I don't think I need to put a call.
No. Go get you another one.
Maybe I do.
Yeah, maybe you do. An isolated log for an apex predator. Oh.
Apex.
Apex, amazing. Right there. Yes.
That's not the biggest one on there.
That was cool, dude.
What are you doing?
You basically called your shot on that, Ty Rivet.
I'm just letting everybody know I don't suck. Like yesterday. I was just a lesson of the day.
Lesson of the day. Note to self.
Note to self too. If you're fishing on the Elite Series, or if you're fishing the opens and everybody else is going to run, you better run. Because if you stay safe, it never works out. Go where your fish are. Because I wouldn't have been in damn third to last.
There you go.
Word of the day. Phrase of the day.
Note to self, don't be a kitty cat.
Don't be a kitty cat in nice terms. Another decent call.
A beautiful call.
Later, bud.
Heck yeah, bud.
Yes.
You feeling all right?
Feeling better.
Good. Good. Because you're doing things now.
I was looking for bridge pilots yesterday to do about 70 into.
I'm glad you didn't.
No, because then I wouldn't have got to get with you.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I don't get really mad. Like, even if I do suck, like, it's what you're going to do. It is what it is.
Still got the best job in the world.
Yep. Funny if he's like a 6-pounder.
Oh, it's a little one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it now.
17-pound P-line.
There it is. Oof. A little lemmy wink.
Swim, buddy.
Bloop.
Ah, Sabanya.
We spoke another one into existence.
Can you let me catch another? Oh,
Fixing to. That's why we always need something rolling. That's magic. It's magic right there.
might not help. Yeah, he's a 2-pounder.
Buttoning down the hatch.
That's it. Time to make a run back.
You did it though today. You had a way better day, dude.
Mo better.
Mo better.
You heard me?
I heard you loud and clear.
Come along clock.
We're gonna hit the ocean now.
You're sure.
It looks nice right here, but out there, something wicked this way comes. We got it.
Need a couple more big ones. Better than two big yesterday.
Dude, bro, I was packing up. I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, what? You didn't believe it.
I was just the weather.
It ain't even raining.
Man, nice audible there. Put on the big blade. Got you another picnic goer.
All right.
Bro! That's a sweet call. Come on. Hell yeah. Give me an old-fashioned on that one. That's what I'm saying. At the buzzer, bro. Just smash another one. Fucking last-minute fish. Could have done it. Could have done it. Dude,
What's up?
that was a cool day.
That was fun.
That was a fun day, man.
That's a fun way to end it.
You
too, huh?
redeemed yourself.
That's right.
You did, man.
needed that. I needed
Thanks for having me out today, dude.
Thank you.
That was pretty cool,
Hey,
man.
I'll catch you next week too.
You never know.
I mean,
You
come
never
on.
know. I'll bring the good. You take them to the picnic and see how you fare.
What's that?
I said, you're checked in. You might be bassing tomorrow, you know.
Really?
You just might be.
Maybe 21. You think?
Man, I mean, right now, as it is on the track,
Yeah.
you're bassing. We'll see. Smash them, bud.
Yes, sir.
Thanks
Hey,
again.
it was good.